Imagine a world where your business anticipates customer needs before they even express them, where routine tasks are handled flawlessly without human intervention, and where decisions are made with precision backed by data no human could process alone. That world isn't science fiction. It's the reality of business in 2025, powered by artificial intelligence. Today, I'd like to talk about the impact of AI on business. We'll explore how it's transforming operations, the opportunities it presents, the challenges we must navigate, and what this means for the future. First, let's look at how AI is already reshaping business operations. In 2025, AI isn't just a tool for big tech companies. It's accessible to businesses of all sizes. Tools like AI-powered chatbots handle customer service 24/7, reducing response times and costs. For example, many small e-commerce businesses now use AI virtual assistants, with over 50% reporting improved customer satisfaction. In marketing, AI analyzes vast amounts of data to personalize campaigns. Platforms predict what products you'll like based on your browsing history, boosting sales by up to 20 to 30% in some cases. Supply chain management has also been revolutionized. AI forecasts demand, optimizes inventory, and even predicts disruptions, helping companies save millions. Now, the opportunities are enormous. AI drives efficiency and innovation. Automation of repetitive tasks frees employees to focus on creative, strategic work. In finance, AI detects fraud faster than ever. In healthcare-related businesses, it's accelerating drug discovery. And for entrepreneurs, generative AI tools help create content, design products, and even write code, lowering barriers to entry. A great example is how companies are using AI for predictive analytics. Businesses that adopt AI-driven insights are seeing revenue growth rates 2 to 3 times higher than those that don't. In 2025, AI is not just an advantage, it's becoming essential for staying competitive. But with great power comes great responsibility. We can't ignore the challenges. Job displacement is a real concern. Routine jobs in data entry, basic analysis, or manufacturing are being automated. We need reskilling programs to help workers transition to higher value roles. Ethical issues are also critical. AI can perpetuate biases if trained on flawed data, leading to unfair outcomes in hiring or lending. Privacy concerns are rising as AI collects more personal data. And there's the risk of over-reliance. What happens if AI systems fail or are hacked? Regulation is catching up. Governments worldwide are introducing guidelines to ensure AI is transparent, fair, and secure. Businesses must prioritize ethical AI practices to build trust. So, what does the future hold? By 2030, AI could add trillions to the global economy, but only if we harness it wisely. Forward-thinking companies are investing in AI education for their teams, partnering with experts, and focusing on human-AI collaboration rather than replacement. In conclusion, AI is transforming business in profound ways, making us faster, smarter, and more innovative. But success depends on balancing opportunity with responsibility. Embrace AI ethically, invest in your people, and stay adaptable. As we move forward in this exciting era, ask yourself, how can my business use AI not just to survive, but to thrive? Thank you for your attention. I'd be happy to take any questions.